Is the bedroom while fulfilling your own taste is difficult, especially when houses nowadays are very small and limited in space. Modern designers, therefore, have come up with new storage solutions to increase the house's practicality and storage space. If you have a lot of clothes and junk in your house, you might want to keep reading as we have prepared 21 wardrobe ideas that'll inspire. Let's take a look now. A plain black and white scheme is adopted for this design. It creates a rather simple and clean style but is full of personality. The wardrobe doesn't have to be big. The key is to have enough drawers for storage, then you'll be able to put all your clothes in it. Wardrobe with glass doors can increase the room's transparency. At the same time, it reflects a modern and stylish touch. This pure white sliding wardrobe disguises itself as a wall, while the storage space is hidden right behind those doors. Its subtleness gives the room a clean and tidy feel. Making use of every inch in the house, our first wardrobe design is mounted into the walls to save as much space as possible. It also adopts the concept of a sliding door so you won't have to worry about putting anything in front of it. Add a wall partition to your bedroom to create a hidden walk-in closet behind. It also makes your room a lot more organized and tidy. Add a wall partition to your bedroom to create a hidden walk-in closet behind. It also makes your room a lot more organized and tidy. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe and share.